Day is the celebration of our freedom, pride and unity. It reminds us the great sacrifice of our brave freedom fighters. Hello everyone, myself Prablin Kaur from Zorawar House. Today, the spirit of national pride came alive at GHG Academy, Kothebaggu, JAGRAON. Our school is ready to celebrate Independence Day with exciting cultural performances housewise, patriotic presentations and creative activities with lots of enthusiasm. So let's come together and make celebration truly memorable. Jai Hind!